Alright guys, welcome back. So last time we talked about this one, HIMS and HERS, somewhere around the 65 area. So stock today from those highs down 50%. Yes, of course, in a very short period of time, maybe like 10 trading sessions, stock has gone up 100+%, and now it's down 50%. Well, a lot of people don't understand the fact that, they reported positive earnings. Sure, we get that. Okay, it was growing, little bit of a beat slightly, year over year. Sure, they're doing well, but a lot of people at the same time do not understand that when stock goes higher, okay, let's say squeeze started at 42. So from 40, 45-ish, stock has gone up somewhere around 60%. A lot of people don't understand that the squeeze, short squeeze, a lot of people don't understand it, how it works. So if people are getting squeezed, meaning somebody sold short shares right around here, let's say 30, 32, 34, they sold millions of shares, okay? And then all of a sudden, it just keeps melting up. And all of a sudden, it just keeps melting up even faster. So now, every single short is in a panic mode, and they have to buy it. They have to basically pile on top of one another to get the heck out of the position, because every dollar move, they're losing money, millions of money. And when stock goes up like that, when shorts are buying the stock, okay, of course there are some longs in there as well, but most volume is coming from the shorts who have dumped many shares at a lower prices. The volume is coming from the shorts. This is what a lot of people don't understand. So at these prices, like natural demand, like nobody thought that this is like a stealing price. No, it's shorts who were buying the stock. It's shorts who were driving the price higher, okay? Yes, there were some long traders, of course, but when there is a squeeze, majority of the volume comes from short sellers getting squeezed, okay? Which does not mean that this stock, like whatever it traded from like 50 to all the way $70 levels, it didn't mean that like it was a buying opportunity, like it was a steal deal. No, it was not like a natural, like fair deal between the buyer and seller, okay? And when it got demolished to the downside, and a lot of people were upset, like yesterday, they reported earnings at from 50, like today alone is down 25%. A lot of people are like, why? Well, there are so many back holders already up these levels. There are so many people who did ride it, but they forgot to get out. They forgot to hop out of the freaking this ride where pretty much everybody had like $100 target, 120, 150, whatever the target you had, and then very quickly this stock is back down 50%. I want to show you this one. When you are down 10%, you need 11% upside to recover your losses. When you down 20%, you need 25%. But when you are down 50% in any stock, now you need 100% return in order to break even. A lot of people don't understand this. Look at this. If you're down 80%, you need 400% return just to break even. How about 90% if you're down 90%? Let's say you were in an options trade. Well, now you need a 900%. You have to print this thing and post it right there, because this is why it's important to stick to around these ranges if you're somebody who is a trader like me. I mean, I have no hesitation when it comes to taking a loss, because anytime I'm entering, I'm not expecting that I'm going to win. yes, I'm doing my maximum to position myself that I would love to make money when I'm entering a trade. But when it goes south, there's no like, there were times, yeah, I have done this by averaging down, buying in, loading, like every earnings that I was making. Like when I was trading in the beginning of when it started 2016 or something, I had like 3 jobs. I was putting every freaking savings that I had into averaging down stock, which kept coming down and down and down. And I almost wiped out 90% of my savings by averaging down into stocks. So you have to have a stop loss in mind before you enter. So back to the price of the stock. Now this stock is down 50%. Now earnings out of the way. Now it's sitting at the breakout level. If I show you the chart, this is the chart. This is the breakout area, 35. This is where we are sitting right now, 36 something. I'm expecting some sort of a relief bounce for the stock since it has dropped pretty significantly, and at the same time, this stock has a lot of shorts in it still. I'm going to be expecting some sort of a relief bounce where again, a lot of people will get trapped again. If the stock in the next few days or in the next week or two, if it pops back to $50, please do not comment saying that, okay, dip buyers are in, we're going up. No. If stock is going to go up, it's going to go up because all of these shorts who were shorting at these levels, averaging down, going aggressive, because of those people covering their position, meaning becoming a buyer, will push the stock higher. Okay? Of course, there are going to be dip buyers for sure, but this is my speculation. This is what I have seen for many, many years. So if stock pushes higher, don't be in a delulu stage and think that this is pretty much now is going to do a V-shaped recovery and go back to $70 very quickly, which is possible. Everything probable out there. There's a probability for literally everything in the market, but this is something I'm watching for. So if 35 holds here, I'm going to be expecting this stock to pretty much maybe fill the earnings gap. Let me pull up the moving averages. Yeah, maybe test the 50-day, 20-day moving average at least, which is 46-ish levels. So I'm going to be watching all those shorts. As soon as this stock essentially stops going down, I would see this name pretty much. Again, this is not going to be a squeeze. This is going to be squeeze for those people who are trying to short it today, right here, after being late, like 50% late. If you're shorting it here, you will be taken for a ride. But these shorts that were up here, they will be taking profit as it tries to push higher. They will be taking profit, and they will be the ones driving it higher, the relief bounce. Okay, so this is my take. I'm seeing that the shorts were pretty much yesterday 52% was shorted, the day before 60. So, and very high volume. Okay, and overall, what's the short float of the HIMS? Float of the HIMS 32%. So yeah, I think 8 billion market cap right here. I think that's what I would be looking for going into. So if we take a look at the put to call ratio. Yeah, there are some put spreads happening, but day is early. It just started. 184,000 puts being traded, 159,000 puts being traded, calls being traded. So more puts being traded, but again, I'm not sure if those puts are being sold to the bidder or if these puts are being closed out, meaning people are taking profit from the put positions they held from those high levels. So that's my take. That's what I'm watching for HIMS, and I'm watching for some sort of a relief bounce towards these $45, $46 areas from here, because this level where it's sitting, 35, if it flushes out one more time, yeah, that would be really good. But again, we will see. So far, IV is very high. I don't have a position. I'm not trading it, but it's on my watch list to see what this stock is going to do in the next few days, and possibly maybe even going into so today is Tuesday, maybe going into Friday, see some sort of relief bounce where, yeah, people are going to be covering their position, and the stock will be pretty much going towards to test this 46, maybe even $50 area. And my point is, again, this is not a buy or sell recommendation. Don't freaking get excited when it goes back above 50 or all the way to like 55, maybe even, thinking that, oh, we are back. We're game on. No, this is going to be happening because of short covering. So again, I'm not saying that I'm 100% certain that this is going to happen, but this is something I'm looking for, especially after sharp 4 trading sessions, stock wiped out 50%. At least I'm going to expect this stock to chop around at these levels and drift higher if more shorts decide to take a profit at these levels. So that's my update for HIMS and HERS. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.